Hey everyone, here's my 783 scale Hudson. This was made in 1984. It had the sound of steam, has electronic whistle, smoking stack, and the steam chest also releases smoke. This was made in 1984. This is old technology. I'm getting old. I graduated in 1984. And this would have been something back then. Separately applied handrails, moving bell. Steam comes out of the smokestack and the steam chest. Has a nice running gear. Coal doesn't look bad on the tender. I like the 783. It would be a lot better with another sound system, but it's a lot affordable, more affordable than the 773. And many people will argue it's a better locomotive. We'll start it up and you can hear the 1984 technology, the sounds. I think they're pretty sad, but I guess back then it was top notch. I would love to have a legacy sound system or Proto Sound 3 in it. If you're lucky, you get one chuff per rotation of driver wheel. It's supposed to get 4 on a real 2-cylinder steam engine. And that only happens when it's operating smoothly and sort of a fast pace. So we'll start it up and you can hear it. I'm going to sound the whistle and you can hear that. That's not a great whistle. This was 1984 technology. But I do like the engine. It's very heavy. It's the same size as the 773. It's not very fast. And that's what you got in 1984. Thanks for watching.